Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous and super simple Easter wreath. So let's get started. So I've already wrapped most of this over our Dollar Tree frame, and I'm just going to finish wrapping this around. And we're just going to wrap it and bring it around here. And then all I have to do is just tuck it under and it will stay. And I'm also going to tie the bow over this so it'll be out of the way. So I'll put that aside. And now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm just going to fold it in half, make a piece long enough that I can fold it in half, put it in the Bowdabra, and also have enough to tie the bow onto the wreath. So we just lay that down, and then I'm going to take my flowers, lay those down into the Bowdabra. Then I'll take my beautiful carrot ribbon, and we'll lay that down into the Bowdabra. And I'm going to do the same with our gingham check and lay that down. And I just want to have it centered in the Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take my carrots and twist, scrunch it down, fold it back and twist. And this is a really pretty ribbon. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below. We have new projects that come out every single Wednesday. We have a new Bowdabra project that we post. And we'll just fold this back over here and fold this over, twist. And then every Monday on Facebook, and now we've been doing them on YouTube also, we do a live that is a 30-minute long instructional video on how to use the Bowdabra and how to make really amazing projects using the Bowdabra. And it is a half an hour long. I just want to make sure I have the right side up on the ribbon, which I didn't, so we'll turn that here. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting enough ribbon here. I'm going to twist it and lay that down into my Bowdabra. We'll pull this back over here, twist, and fold it back over here. And again, we're just going to twist. And we're just going to fold and twist and fold and twist. And again, I'm just going to fold, whoops, get that right, and twist and fold it back. And so as I was saying, every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern, we do a Facebook Live and a YouTube Live. So you just have to follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be notified when we go live. So now I'm going to just take my wand and scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. I'll pull that out, take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I folded it in half was so that now I have a slip knot. And I'm just going to hold my bow down really tight, pull my wire very tight, pull out my bow so I'm not struggling. You don't need to have really good hands. Separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and we're going to tie a knot. And then I'm going to take my, well actually let me shape this a little bit before I tie it onto the wreath. So we're just going to fan out the flowers, and I'm going to clip this piece here. And please, in the comments below, let me know where you're watching from, and also how you heard about Bowdabra. I would love to know, and if there's projects you'd like us to make in future videos, please let me know and we can arrange that. So we're just going to scrunch this out, then just, well, these are both wired ribbons from Bowdabra.com. And we're just going to shape this here, shape this out. And I need to shape my little button loop in the middle. And now I'm going to tie it onto my wreath. So I'm just going to take my wires and bring them around the wreath. And bring my flowers up in here. And then I'm just going to, I think, if I can grab this wire, there we go. I'm just going to tie it And I'm actually just going to tie a little bow because it will stay with the bow. And now that we've tied it onto the wreath, I'm just going to fluff out my loops, and you have this beautiful Easter wreath. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you comment below and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.